Locate the parts needed for assembly inside the battery holster compartment. Inside, you should find the top and bottom holsters and nuts and bolts. Take the top holster and slide it onto the extrusion on the tank. Make sure the top holster properly slides into the wedge extrusion. Place a nut into the hexagonal opening on the back of the top holster, then place the shorter bolt in the front opening. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the bolt into the nut. Take the bottom holster and slide it onto the extrusion on the side of the tank base. Place a nut into the hexagonal opening on the back of the bottom holster, then place the longer bolt in the front opening. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the bolt into the nut. If you're using the Comfort Straps carrying strap, clip the male buckles into the female buckles attached to the tank. Identify the 2-prong electrical connector at the end of the hose and spray handle assembly. Then, locate the female pigtail connector on the sprayer base. Insert the 2-prong connector into the pigtail connector, making sure to line up the indentations. Secure the connection by tightening the threaded cap onto the pigtail connector. Remove the plug inside the male Quick Connect hose connector. Pull the brass Quick Connect collar down at the end of the hose and place it onto the male Quick Connect on the sprayer base. Release the collar and push it back into place to lock it in. The spray wand and handle assembly can be stored on the tank lid or the side holsters. Before spraying, make sure to fully charge the FlowZone battery pack. Press the battery icon in order to activate the indicator lights showing the current charge level. Open the battery door and slide the charged battery onto the battery holster. The battery should click in. To operate the sprayer, turn the variable pressure knob to the desired level and squeeze the spray trigger.